Well, if you could practice speaking a foreign language without a human, but with a partner who never gets tired, doesn't judge you, and makes you improve every single time. Well, it's what Flint AI does, and I'm going to show you how. Let's go!
Okay, I'm in the interface of Flint. The address here on top, obviously, I will leave it in the description of the video. You can do absolutely everything with Flint. I think it's a really great package, and it's also free. There's lots of possibilities. Again, you can have some worksheets, lesson plans. You can create rubrics and all sorts. You have all these things here. And you also can create some activities, which is pretty amazing too. So there is a real package that you can use with Flint. What we are going to be interested today, and I'm not going to be going through everything, we are going to be working on speak a world language with them. Okay, and I'm going to show you how that works. I'm in the activity builder, so I'm going to build my bot, and you have a little bit of help from Flint here, so you can build with Flint, or you can build manually. So if you go manually, you just put an emoji and colors and name and stuff and a summary. But probably better to have a little bit of help with this. It gives you a few clues, but I noticed that the text-to-speech is so good, it picks up any wrong pronunciation. Now, even if you say things really badly, it's going to pick it up and say it nicely. So you have to be very precise with your prompt, say that it needs to pick up on absolutely anything, give feedback and stuff like that. So I will be very happy to share my prompt. It's quite a long prompt, and also I've included questions I wanted to be asked in this session. Okay, so once I have put in this into the bot here, it's going to be creating the output. I could also, if needed, put some vocab specifically, or a mark scheme or something, whatever works. You can click on the upload, and it's like, in certain bots, it just creates your the knowledge bank by just doing that. Okay, so that's possible. So now it's created a bot. You have a similar session and start session manually. So similar sessions, you're going to see what a potential person would say and the feedback would be. I think it's probably better to do it manually so you can actually change things along the way. We're going to have a go, and I'm going to make some horrible pronunciation to see if you can pick it up on it. Généralement, pendant les vacances, je vais dans le sud de le français avec mon famille.
Généralement, pendant les vacances, je vais dans le sud de la France avec ma famille. Je remarque une petite erreur de genre. On dit ma famille, car le mot famille est féminin en français.
Okay, so what I've done here is not only so I pronounce things really, really badly on purpose, but it still picked it up and find the right answer. Okay, so what I asked the bot to do is pick up on one thing, not several things, so to keep things going. Then I want the person to repeat the sentence. So on purpose, the sentence is said at the beginning, so there's more repetition, you can hear how to pronounce the words. And after that, you move on to the next question. So you can update it the way that you want it to be. You can pick up on several things, but if you want to really keep the momentum and stop having lots and lots of feedback, it's not going to work out. So you need to still be possible. You notice also that the TTS, text-to-speech, is really good. It's speaking very nicely. And I didn't previously I had the instructions in English. I decided not to put them in there, but there's possible. But after one or two or three times reading the French and English, it takes a bit of a toll, so it's a bit annoying. But you can add it, and you can ask also the instructions also, if needed, for maybe the weaker ones, to have it in English to help. But that's pretty good, and so on and so forth. After a few hit and misses, I'll just create the activity. Okay, and it's going to be doing this little window here. So you have potentially created some workspaces, as you can see, and you can share it with the pupils, and it gives you a link on how to practice this. So if I copy it, we'll be able to see how this works. This is the pupils panel, and this is what the activity looks like. You have the instructions on top. You can change that if you need it, and this is the beginning of the activity, and I'm just going follow the motions and answer all the questions. I've gone through the motions, I've answered all of the questions, and now it's giving me some feedback. So you have French with mistakes and English also there. And what do I need to do after that? And for my teacher to know what I've done, I just click on submit session. I'm back on the teacher's side of things, and you can see that my activity is still there. And this is what my pupil's done. Obviously, you should have several of them. What happens is you can add some feedback there too if you wanted to. This is what the bot has picked up, so strengths, areas of improvement, and follow-up. So if I want, I can create a follow-up activity, so really personalized learning here. And or based on the mistakes that the person has done, I can create follow-up activity. You can work on these things. And what you can do after that, then you can print the session. So all of the conversation has been recorded there, and you just can have that bit here and share it with the pupils so they know exactly what they need to be doing. And you can share that with them in an email or something like that, or you just copy and paste these things to help you out if needed, whatever way you have to share things. So that's really, really impressive.
I hope that you find it useful. Have a play at creating a bot yourself and make it your own way. And please share your experience with me later on. And don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and I'll see you soon.